Okay, we were at a Chevron station, and I don't know exactly what city this is, but we just got off of the 91. I saw an Arco station, what I thought was another car wash, like right around the corner. Then I got here, and I realized that this is a Washworld Profile APEX. I'm not sure what this guy is. Okay, there's a guy crossing my path there. This is a Washworld Profile APEX that can do soft touch or touch free. Ironically, I was heading to check out another one at an Anthem station like 10 minutes down the freeway, and then I find this. Look at that. How ironic. I was heading to check out another Profile APEX, which I'm also going to film, then I found this, and this is a Washworld Profile APEX. These things are pretty rare. Not many people install these. Ooh. 16 is a bit of a stretch. We're gonna do it, and we'll do it touch free because I've never done a touch free on one of these before.
Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. Please wait.
Please drive forward. Get my other camera out. Ready to go. All right, let's do it.
Pre-soak cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
That's actually a really nice coating, I gotta admit. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. Sorry, that was the sealant getting applied right there, and I didn't realize how it did it. Very cool. Alright, I gotta admit, that was pretty cool. Oh, and here are the free vacuums. There you got one lonely stall over here, and you got the rest of them over here. You just get your tokens inside, I guess. Interesting. Well, I had no idea how the Washworld Profile APEX works, especially on the touch-free cycle. I guess that's Washworld's answer to the Istobal Flex 5 hybrid systems. Except, it looks like that's an overhead gantry design with the brushes hanging down. The Istobal gantries are floor-mounted, so that's quite a good competitive choice for people looking to install one of their machines. And they also offer unlimited memberships here, anywhere from $18 a month for unlimited basics, and the highest wash is $40 on a membership. That's pretty cool. I will say $16. I think that's what it costed. Honestly, I already forgot, but that sounds about right for what you get. Anyway, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and that's it. Alright, so a little epilogue here. This is actually Fullerton. This is the corner of Nutwood and Placentia. And this used to be a full-service car wash. It had one brand of equipment I've forgotten that was pretty much garbage, and it had an old Hannah tunnel before that. So that explains why this bay was huge, because it used to be a tunnel wash. Anyway, I'm going to go move on to the other Profile Apex. That one's at an Anthem station, but for now, that's it.